Hey guys, we're back for another video of puppy love. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good day.
Ooh, taco!
Be quiet.
You know, big circle wall now. We're going to use Dad's awesome place to look down.
Like when we play this game, we're playing it in our play. So more room.
I'm gonna put Oh my God! Yes.
That fire for my soul. Got the fire for my soul. Hi, Mr. Potato Head.
A goldfish got me over there. That's just
Ew. Why do you have another potato head? That's just creepy. Isn't it creepy? Tell me in the comments if it's creepy having two Mr. Potato Heads when you already have one.
That's my positive one.
I don't understand Mr. Potato sometimes, but whatever. Oh yeah, and this game is called Puppy Love. She is the main character. Her name is Liz. Tell them your guys' characters' names. Mr. Potato Head.
Dad.
Oh wait, no, that's the dad. Then that's the kid. Mr. Potato Head.
That's Dad's feet. And that's the
Alright, who's the firefighter? What's the firefighter's name?
But man,
Haley?
Uncle B.
Gary? Harry?
No, but Uncle B.
Harris?
And he might
Harris. That's a really good name.
Wait, where BB-8?
BB-8?
Mm-hmm.
Where is BB-8? Ow! Is he under the play table? Is he in the playroom anywhere?
I saw.
Tell us in the comments if you guys saw him anywhere.
BB-8.
BB-8.
Oh my God!
Liam's favorite character.
Can I look under there?
He's not under there. Maybe we'll find him in the next video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good day. Bye.
Wait a minute, let me take my toy box.